Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's a beautiful day out. So right now, Tony and I are about to head out for a bike ride. We worked up an appetite from our bike ride, so we want to get something to eat, but we're still bored and we want to do something, so we want to go see a movie. So we're going to get something to eat and see a movie at the same time. We're at Chunky's. Let's go.
This could save you 15% or more. Blue Moon is brewed with Valencia orange peel for a taste that shines brighter.
Just getting home from the movies now. It's like 6:45-ish. Did not know that movie was 2.5 hours long. We saw the new Blade Runner one. It was pretty good. Some parts were a little too futuristic for me. Some parts were hard to follow and understand, but overall, I mean, it was alright. I didn't see the original, but this one was okay. But yeah, just getting in. Gotta put the girls outside, give them some food. I gotta throw some laundry in real quick to wash my work clothes for the week. Just hang out for the next whatever hour or so, and then I'm going to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will catch you in the next vlog.